Chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel. A penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
Look at this. It is a pearl gourmet fish.
Woohoo! On the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel. A penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's
Look at
the
this.
way the
It is a coqui fish.
Pop goes the weasel.
Look at this. It is a goldfish.
Yeah!
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel.
Look at this. It is a silver raspbora fish.
Yes!
Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Goodbye!
Look at this. It is a koi fish. Look at this. It is a goldfish.
Goodbye!
Look at this. It is a koi fish.
Bye-bye.
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel.
Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes.
Woohoo!
Pop goes the weasel.
Look at this. It is a koi fish.
Yes!
On the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop
Yeah!
A spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the
Woohoo!
goes. Pop goes the weasel.
Goodbye.
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel.
Look at this. Is this a comet fish?
Woohoo!
Look at this. This is Nile tilapia fish. Look at this. Is this a comet fish?
Yeah!
Look at this. Is this a koi fish?
Yes.
Look at this. Is this a goldfish?
Goodbye.
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey
Look at
thought
this.
'twas all in good
Is
fun.
this a zebrafish?
Goes the weasel. A penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
Look at this. Is this a red devilfish?
All around the mulberry bush,
Goodbye.
chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel. A penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
Look at this. Is this a snow white fish?
Bye bye.
Look at this. Is this a boomfish?
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought
Woohoo!
Pop goes the weasel.
Look at this. This is tilapia fish.
Yes!
Yeah! Woohoo!
Goodbye!